I'm Ferry Kurniawan. So, today I'm gonna talk about some topics that I will explain later. This is I think this is a task from Sarah Hafiz to be to talk about these topics. And then this topic is kinda representing, or I will gonna just presenting this to the Gen Z, the me and some my friends and all of Gen Z here from that side. Okay, so first let's be real for a second. Maybe you can raise your hand or something like that if you've ever sat in a class and thought like, why am I learning this from a textbook that was printed before I was born? And then yeah, that's exactly. We are the digital native generation. We grew up with iPads in our hands or some iPhone or smartphone, and then Wi-Fi in our blood is just like representing, okay, not the real Wi-Fi is in our blood. So we order food, find dates, and buy cars all from a tiny screen in our pocket. But when we walk into a classroom, it sometimes feels like we've time traveled back to the 90s. So today I want to talk about the digital transformation in education. But I'm not here to give you a boring lecture about synergy or cloud computing, sorry. I'm here to talk about the glow up that education desperately needs. Okay, so let's talk about the old school fight. Remember the panic of losing your USB drive? Like, oh, my file is gonna go, and where is my USB? Or the anxiety of waiting for the printer, like the printer, to work 5 minutes before class starts. That is definition of an analog bottleneck. The old system is often a one-size-fits-all model. It assumes everyone learns at the same speed. If you are a visual learner, you're stuck listening to a lecture. If you're an auditory learner, you are stuck with reading a wall of text. It's kind of giving some inefficient. Like we live in a world of instant gratification. We want answer now. We want answers now. Like the traditional system struggles to keep up because it is rigid. Okay, it is basically the blockbuster video in a world that has moved to Netflix. We need a shift from being passive listener to active participants. So what does the digital transformation actually look like? Like it's not just about swapping chalk for a smart board, okay? That's just a hardware upgrade. So we need a mindset shift. So first up, personalized learning. Like imagine a platform that acts like your own personal tutor. Algorithms analyze your data, and now that you suck at algebra but are great at geometry, so it gives you more algebra practice. This is using AI to create a tailored curriculum just for you. So second is immersive experiences. Like forget reading about the Roman Empire or some of that. Put on a VR headset and walk through the Colosseum. We are on some Colosseum but not real Colosseum. This is what we call gamification and immersive tech. It turns learning from a core into a side quest. When you are engaged, you retain 19% more information. And third, collaboration. We don't work in silos anymore. We use Google Docs, Slack, and Discord. Why shouldn't we use those platforms for group projects? Like digital transformation means we can collaborate with a student in Japan as easily as we can with the person sitting next to us. So now I'm not going to gaslight you into thinking this is easy or like this is just a pity or not. So no, there is a huge issue, the digital divide. If we more everything online, like what about the student who doesn't have reliable Wi-Fi at home? Like or the teacher who isn't tech savvy? Digital transformation isn't just about buying new gadgets. It's about accessibility. Sorry. We have to ensure that as we move forward, we don't leave people behind. It is about tech equity, sorry. Nice. It's about tech equity, making sure everyone has the same shot at using these tools. Also, let's talk about screen fatigue. Like, we don't want to be on Zoom 24/7. We need a hybrid model, a balance of digital tools and real human connections. So, like, here is the bottom line. Education is currently an analog system trying to survive in a digital ecosystem. Like, I'm not saying we need to delete teachers or throw away books, like, but we do need to optimize the process. Like, we need to use innovation to make education more dynamic, more inclusive, and way less boring. Like, digital transformation in education is about preparing us for jobs that don't even exist yet. It's about teaching us how to think, like how to think, not what to think. So the next time you are in class, ask your professor or lecturer, like, sorry, are we going to use a QR code for that? Why isn't this a podcast? Like, start the conversation. Because the future of learning isn't in the past, okay? Like, it is in the past. Like, we are in the future now. It is in our hands. So, maybe that's no, maybe so. That's all from me. I'm Ferry Kurniawan, and thank you.